Hello and welcome to Davy Crockett Pool. So today I'm going to tell you all about the pool, kind of how you access the pool, what there is to offer at the pool. I have done a POV previously of Sequoia Lodge. If you want to see that, I put the link below. We're going to check it out, we're going to see what it has to offer. I'm just going to have a bit of fun. It is literally no one in here today, so we're going to have a good time. So it is important to note the pool is really deep, it's 1.40 m. So I'm 5'3", just to kind of give you a rough guideline. But there is a lazy river that's very shallow, but other than that it is extremely deep. So just ensure if they're not strong swimmers that they have armbands, etc. And if you're not 100% comfortable, then just keep them within the area of kind of the lazy river and whirlpool that I showed you earlier. I think now I'm going to go check out the swim. There's a little kids splash pool as well. That's always nice. One thing to note as well, if you don't feel like a swim but you want to come and observe, maybe your kids want to go and you're just not really feeling it, you can sit in the seating area that's accessible from the reception there. Do not be fooled by that flume. It is fast, okay? It may look small and cute, but it's a fast flume. And if you lie down, whew, you fly. So again, that pool water is slightly less, at 1 meters 10, but it is still extremely deep. So just be very wary of that. Another thing to note as well, if you just want to relax and unwind, there's these amazing hot tub caves just at the back here that you definitely should check out. It's always so warm and it's so good, especially if you're here in the winter. So definitely make sure you check those out. Okay, so once you've left the pool, you then head back into the shower toilet area. Once you've showered and gone to the toilet and bits like that and you want to dry off, you head back into the changing rooms. The changing rooms are unisex, so please bear that in mind. They're very big and spacious, as you can see as well. It's not key based, so you just put in your own code and then just lock and unlock as you come and go. Then they've got these incredible hair dryers, which I am obsessed with. So I'm gonna get dried off now. I'll catch you guys in a sec.